Investing can be intimidating for beginners, especially if you don't have a lot of money to spare. But what if you could start investing with just your spare change? That's the idea behind Acorns, an app that helps you save and invest automatically. Acorns is a platform that offers three main services: Acorns Invest, Acorns Later, and Acorns Early. In this video, we'll focus on Acorns, which is a taxable investment account that puts your money into exchange-traded funds, chosen for you based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. You may fund the account via roundups, recurring deposits, or on-demand deposits. Roundups are the most unique feature of Acorns. They work by linking your credit or debit cards to the app and rounding up every purchase you make to the nearest dollar. The difference is then transferred to your Acorns Invest account and invested in your chosen portfolio. For example, if you buy a coffee for $3.25, Acorns will round it up to $4 and invest the 75 cents difference for you. This way, you can save and invest without even noticing it. Acorns Invest has several benefits for beginners who want to start investing. It's easy and convenient. You don't need to research or choose individual stocks or bonds. You just answer a few questions about your age, income, goals, and risk tolerance, and Acorns will recommend one of 5 expert-built portfolios for you that range from conservative to aggressive. These portfolios contain ETFs managed by pros at the world's top investment firms like Vanguard and BlackRock. They also include a diversified mix of stocks and bonds from different sectors and regions, which can help reduce your risk and increase your potential returns. It's low cost and transparent. You only pay $1 per month for Acorns Invest or $3 per month if you also use Acorns Later and Acorns Early. There are no minimum balance requirements, trading fees, or hidden charges. You can also see the performance of your portfolio, the fees you pay, and the impact of your investments on your potential future wealth. It's educational and motivational. Acorns provides you with unique ways to grow your knowledge and confidence as an investor. You can access articles, videos, and podcasts from financial experts on topics like budgeting, saving, investing, and retirement planning. You can also earn bonus investments when you shop with thousands of brands through the app's Found Money feature. And you can use the app's potential tool to see how factors such as recurring investments, roundups, smart deposits, and compound returns may impact the long-term value of your account. You can also set up recurring or one-time deposits to boost your savings. Acorns will then invest your money in one of 5 expert-built portfolios that range from conservative to aggressive. Acorns Invest is not a perfect solution for everyone. It may not suit you if you want more control over your investments, if you have a large amount of money to invest, or if you have specific tax or retirement needs. The more money you invest and the longer you keep it invested, the more potential returns you can earn over time. However, investing also involves risk, and there is no guarantee that you will make money or avoid losing money. Your returns will depend on the performance of the market and the ETFs that make up your portfolio. Acorns Later and Early are 2 of the services that Acorns offers to help you save and invest for your future. Acorns Later is an individual retirement account that allows you to invest for your retirement with potential tax advantages. You can choose from 3 types of IRAs: traditional, Roth, or SEP. Acorns will recommend the best one for you based on your income, age, and goals. You can set up recurring or one-time deposits to fund your account and enjoy the power of compound growth over time. Acorns Early is a custodial account that allows you to invest for the kids in your life. It is a type of UTMA/UGMA account, which means you can use the funds for anything that benefits the child, such as education, extracurricular activities, or a first car. You can open an early account for each kid at no extra cost and start with as little as $5. You can also invite friends and family to contribute to your early account with a simple link. Both Acorns Later and Early are part of the Acorns Personal Plus tier, which costs $3 per month and also includes Acorns Invest and Acorns Banking. You can access all these services from one easy app and grow your money with expert-built portfolios, roundups, bonus investments, and more. If you are looking for a simple, affordable, and automated way to start investing with your spare change, Acorns may be a great option for you. If you want to learn more about Acorns or sign up for their services, you can visit their website at